Hello, my name is Sanchi Singh, studying in class 3C from Little Flower School, Balangir. Hope you all of you are safe and healthy. Let's take a place. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of his. I shall respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
Jalwa, Jalwa. Yo, blaze up the walk, light it up to the beat. Come on, Jalwa. Give it to me, Jalwa. Give it to me, Jalwa. Gorgeous with attitude and every attitude. Miss Hot Booty, come on, baby, do your duty work.
जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, किस्मों का है ये जलवा, शोहरत भी दे ये जलवा, मकसद भी दे ये जलवा.
Tell them like it is. I can't hear.
दिलकश लगे ये जलवा, महकश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा.
To all, my name is Sanchi Singh, studying in class 3C from Little Flower School, Balangir. Hope you all of you are safe and healthy. So today I am going to discuss about my thoughts of online classes during Corona pandemic. COVID-19 has resulted in schools shut all across the world. Globally, over 1.2 billion of children are out of the classroom. As a result, education has changed very much with the rise of e-learning, where teaching is undertaken on digital platforms. Tens of thousands of students are glued to computer and smartphone screens as teachers and students enter a new world of tutorial and assessment through e-learning process, a challenge to both students and teachers over technology. Is keeping everyone busy with worksheets and assignments in response of significant demands. Many online learning platforms are offering free access to their services, including platforms like Byju's, which is now the world's most highly valued, while some believe that the unplanned and rapid move to online learning with no training, insignificant bandwidth, and little preparation. No training, insufficient bandwidth, and little preparation will result in a poor user experience that including to sustain growth. Other believes that a new hybrid model of education will emerge with significant benefits. And students without reliable internet and technology struggle to participate in digital learning, while some schools and government have been providing digital equipment, such as Australia, New South Wales. Many are still constrained that the
pandemic widened the digital divide. Thank you. Have a nice day.
हेलो नमस्ते मैं हूँ एंजल वेलकम टू एंजल किचन। तो आज हम लोग बनाएंगे ब्लू कूल बच्चों की फेवरेट। चलिए अब तो कोरोना वायरस के लिए हम लोग सब बोर हो रहे हैं तो मैंने कुछ सोचा कि जो मैं कुछ ठंडा चीज बनाऊं और हम लोग लगाएंगे सैनिटाइजर। स्टे होम स्टे सेफ। तो चलिए हम लोग सैनिटाइजर लगा देंगे। बट फायर के पास नहीं जाइए सैनिटाइजर लगाकर, और मास्क लगाइएगा। और ब्लू कूल बनाने के लिए मैंने लिया है ग्लूकोज सिरप, शुगर सिरप, लेमन जूस, आइस क्यूब्स एंड सोडा, mint leaves, pieces of lemons and sugar for decoration। तो चलिए हम लोग का शुरू करते हैं। तो चलिए हम लोग एक लेमन लेंगे और इसे हम लोग ऐसे फोल्ड कर देंगे ताकि इजी हो। और लेमन को ऐसे करने के बाद हम लोग ये है हम लोग इसे यहाँ से देखिए कितने सुंदर तरीके से हुए है। और फिर हम लोग डालेंगे ब्लू सिरप। ये देखिए हम लोग डाल चुके, पूरा खत्म कीजिएगा। एंड हम लोग डालेंगे अब शुगर सिरप और फिर लेमन जूस। Then we have to give mint leaves of 2 pieces, and then we have to give ice like this and some sodas carefully. And then for decoration we have to give the slice of lemons. Keep it like this slowly. Okay, and then you have to give one mint leaf, so cute, like that. And then you have to mix it. And then we have to give a lemon, put 2 lemons and mix it. So yummy! Let's drink it. See, put down here. Yum! It is so yummy. You have to taste it and show me how.
ମୋର ଜୁହାର ମୋ ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ସାଞ୍ଚି ସିଂ। ପଶ୍ଚିମ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ବଲାଙ୍ଗୀର ସହରରେ ରହେସି। ଆପଣମାନେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ ଅଗଷ୍ଟ 1 होचे सम्बलपुरी दिन मुई आपन मान को लगी गुटे सम्बलपुरी थीम रे फोटो वीडियोस पठेइछे मोर आशा अछि आपन मान को निश्चय भल लागबा मोर वीडियो देखला परे प्लीज लाइक सब्सक्राइब आउ कमेंट करिवे जुहार।